In 2025, not every new car is what it seems. Some of the most trusted models are hiding costly glitches and failures that could drain your wallet long before the warranty's up. The scary part? Millions are buying them right now. But here's the flip side. A few cars this year are nearly bulletproof, built to last a lifetime. Today, we're exposing 4 cars to avoid, and 3 that will outlive their owners. Reliability has always been a deal breaker in car buying, and in 2025, it matters more than ever. With cars packed full of electronics, hybrid systems, and new tech, there are simply more things that can fail. On the surface, these models look futuristic and exciting, but owner reports and repair data tell a different story. Some cars are already raising red flags: fragile transmissions, weak batteries, glitchy infotainment, issues showing up long before the car is even paid off. Nobody wants to spend $50,000 on a vehicle that spends more time in the shop than in the driveway. But not every 2025 car is built this way. Some automakers still deliver long-lasting durability and real value, the kind of vehicles that can easily go hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. In this video, we'll reveal 4 cars in 2025 that are likely to let you down, and 3 that are built to last, offering true peace of mind. Number 4. Land Rover Discovery. The Discovery is supposed to be Land Rover's family adventure SUV, but anyone who has owned a Land Rover knows the reputation: unreliable electronics, suspension issues, and constant trips to the dealer. The 2025 model hasn't broken the cycle. Owners are already reporting buggy infotainment systems, electrical glitches, and costly air suspension repairs that can happen before the car even hits 50,000 miles. What makes it worse is the maintenance costs. Even basic repairs often cost thousands, and with Land Rover's track record, you'll be paying those bills sooner than expected. For a vehicle starting around $60,000, that's a painful reality. If you think only luxury brands suffer from early breakdowns, think again. Even some mainstream SUVs are showing cracks, and the next one proves it. Number 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is one of America's favorite SUVs, but in 2025, it's proving to be less dependable than buyers hoped. The model has been plagued by reports of transmission problems, stalling engines, and faulty electronics. Jeep has been pushing advanced tech in its lineup, but the problem is reliability hasn't caught up. The biggest concern here is cost of ownership. While the Grand Cherokee isn't as expensive to repair as a Land Rover, constant small issues can add up quickly. Add in below-average reliability scores from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, and you've got an SUV that might look rugged, but can leave you stranded when you least expect it. But SUVs aren't the only culprits in 2025. Even electric cars, which are supposed to be the future, are showing reliability cracks. And one of the most hyped EVs is already raising red flags. Number 2. Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y remains one of the best-selling EVs in the world, but behind the sales numbers lies a troubling truth: reliability just isn't there. Owners consistently report issues with build quality, from misaligned panels and leaking seals to failing heat pumps and touchscreen malfunctions. In cold weather, the Model Y has also struggled with range loss and charging delays, problems that make ownership far more stressful than it should be. Yes, Tesla has over-the-air updates, but no software patch can fix poor hardware design or inconsistent manufacturing quality. Considering the Model Y starts around $47,000 and can easily reach $60,000 with options, buyers deserve more than a car that feels unfinished. And if you think reliability problems are limited to luxury EVs, think again, because even one of the most iconic Japanese brands has stumbled badly with a 2025 model. Number 1. Nissan Ariya. The Nissan Ariya was supposed to be Nissan's big comeback in the EV space, but reliability concerns have cast a shadow over it. Early reports point to issues with charging equipment, software glitches, and battery-related problems that can leave owners frustrated. Worse, repair parts for EVs are often harder to source, meaning longer waits at dealerships. The Aurea is also priced in the mid-$40 000s, putting it up against proven rivals like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6, both of which have stronger early reliability ratings. That means you're not only risking more breakdowns with the Aurea, but you're also paying for an EV that doesn't deliver as much confidence as its competitors. So there you have it, 4 cars in 2025 that may look appealing at first, but are likely to break down too soon, draining your wallet and your patience. But here's the good news. Not all cars in 2025 are built this way. Some are still rock solid, built to last hundreds of thousands of miles without a single major issue. Let's flip the script and talk about the 3 cars that will last forever. Number 3. Honda Accord. When it comes to reliability, few sedans carry a reputation as legendary as the Honda Accord. The 2025 model doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, and that's exactly why it works. Instead of cramming in overly complex tech, Honda has refined what already works: a tried-and-true 1.5L turbocharged engine, an available hybrid option, and one of the most well-tested CVTs on the market. What makes the Accord stand out is its balance. It delivers excellent fuel economy, smooth performance, and a cabin that feels premium without being fragile. Owners regularly report Accords surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal issues, and repair costs remain well below average compared to competitors. Sedans like the Accord prove that simple can be powerful. But if you want something bigger, tougher, and built for the long haul, the next vehicle is practically bulletproof. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is a dinosaur, and that's a compliment. While most midsize SUVs are moving toward turbocharged engines and flashy electronics, the 4Runner keeps it old school with a naturally aspirated V6 and body-on-frame construction. This design makes it one of the most durable SUVs ever built, capable of lasting decades with proper care. Yes, it's not the most fuel-efficient SUV in 2025, and its tech features can feel dated compared to rivals. But here's the trade-off. Fewer complex systems mean fewer things to break. Owners consistently report 4Runners pushing well past 300,000 miles, and resale values remain among the highest in its class. For drivers who prioritize longevity over flashy tech, the 4Runner is one of the safest bets on the road. But reliability doesn't have to mean old-fashioned. The next car proves that you can embrace modern technology without sacrificing long-term dependability. Number 1. Lexus GX. At the very top of the reliability pyramid sits the 2025 Lexus GX. Redesigned this year with modern styling and features, the GX still carries the same DNA that has made Lexus one of the most trusted luxury brands in the world. Underneath, it shares much of its platform with Toyota's rugged Land Cruiser, meaning it's engineered for durability first, luxury second. What makes the GX so special is the way it blends reliability with refinement. You get a plush interior, advanced safety features, and smooth V6 power, all backed by Toyota's unmatched reliability record. In fact, Lexus routinely ranks at the top of J.D. Power's dependability studies, and the GX has one of the lowest rates of major repairs in its class. This is the kind of SUV you could buy today, drive for 15 years, and still hand down to your kids with confidence. So while some cars in 2025 are destined for the repair shop, these 3 stand tall as proof that durability isn't dead. In 2025, the car market is more complicated than ever. Automakers are racing to impress buyers with flashy screens, futuristic drivetrains, and sleek styling, but too often, that comes at the cost of reliability. As we've seen today, models like the Land Rover Discovery, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Tesla Model Y, and Nissan Ariya might look tempting, but they carry warning signs that could lead to years of frustration, expensive repairs, and regret. On the other hand, some vehicles prove that you don't have to sacrifice peace of mind just to stay modern. The Honda Accord continues to be a dependable everyday car. The Toyota 4Runner shows that old-school engineering still has unmatched value, and the Lexus GX delivers the rare combination of luxury and durability. These are the vehicles you can buy with confidence, knowing they'll serve you faithfully long after many others have broken down. The real takeaway here is simple. Cars aren't just about the short-term thrill of driving them off the lot. They're long-term commitments. Choosing the wrong one could leave you with years of headaches and bills, but choosing the right one could mean a decade or more of stress-free driving. Reliability isn't flashy, but it's priceless. So, before you sign on the dotted line in 2025, ask yourself, do I want a car that looks exciting today, but becomes a burden tomorrow, or one that quietly delivers value and dependability for years to come? If this video helped you spot the difference, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Consumer Reports approved car breakdowns, and share this video with someone you know who's car shopping this year. And of course, I want to hear from you. Which car do you think is the most overrated in 2025, and which one would you trust to last forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading and replying. Because when it comes to buying cars, knowledge isn't just power, it's protection.